So I got this book at a request of my daughter's piano teacher. My daughter is getting better with piano, and she recommended this book specifically because it has a range of levels. So book one, this is this book. It ranges from late elementary to mid-intermediate levels, which I think is fantastic. So it can grow with the piano player. It has a whole range of different songs that kind of covers a bunch of different levels. So this book alone, it has a front and a back cover that's like a thicker, shiny cardboard, and it is spiral bound. I'll just flip through, and so you can see a range of what songs we have. It does have a table of contents in the front. These are very like classic songs. It's great because I and my kids recognize them. We have Minuet, and like I said, we have a range of levels. So you'll see some that are easier, some that are harder. I will flip through. I really appreciate that we have some longer and some shorter, so you can get kind of the whole range of songs. We have some songs that are in sharps and flats, that have sharps and flats, different keys, some that are faster and slower. It seems like a great little introduction to classic songs. And like I said, it covers a range of levels, which is fantastic, especially if you want to use this book for a while. So far we've really enjoyed it. I'll show you a few in the end. And I hope this helps, just seeing some of these songs more up close.